Hey guys, welcome back to Orit's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget, before we begin, make sure you subscribe, like my episode, find me on Instagram and on Facebook, Orit's Kitchen, okay? Today, another episode for Passover, okay? So I hope you saw the previous episode on Passover chocolate chip cookies. Now this time is a banana chocolate muffin for Passover, and this is awesome too. Again, I know some of the things that they make for Passover, like the cakes and stuff, aren't so very good, okay, but I guarantee you that these ones are good because I tried a couple and this is the one, okay? So let's get started, guys. Come on over. So first of all, I got most of the ingredients here. As usual, you're going to get your electric mixer, okay? You're going to be putting all the dry ingredients first, okay? So here are the dry ingredients. You ready? You're going to be adding the Kosher for Passover cake meal. All of these are found in the Passover section in the markets, Middle Eastern markets, or maybe in Rouse as well, okay? So you're going to be adding 3/4 cups of the cake meal, okay? You're going to be adding the sugar, 3/4 cups of sugar, okay? And then you're going to be adding potato starch as well, so 1/2 cup of potato starch. So it's very similar to the chocolate chip cookie, guys, right? They're pretty much the same kind of ingredients, okay? Just the amount can be different. And you're going to be adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And you're going to be adding 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, okay? And don't forget to preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? So you're going to dump all of the dry ingredients in the electric mixer. And then you're going to be adding 2 eggs in it. And you're going to be adding 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. And you're going to be adding mashed bananas, right? So you're going to make sure that the bananas are kind of getting messed up a little bit. Ripe. Thank you, Gabby. You're going to make sure it's ripe. And you're going to get 3 of those, and you're going to smash it up, and you're going to add it to your muffin. Now, if you don't want to use bananas and you only want it to be chocolate chip muffin, that's totally fine too. Just add more chocolate chips to it, okay? Don't do the banana part, but it's yummy, okay? And you're going to be adding all of that stuff in there, and also 1/2 cup of oil in the mixture as well. You're going to mix everything really well, and that is it, okay? So we got our oil, our sugar, our cake meal, our eggs, our mashed bananas, our potato starch, baking powder, cinnamon, and chocolate chip. I know that you think, oh my god, it's a lot of ingredients, but just get this, put it, bam, it's done. But these are the main things that you can make a yummy Passover dessert, okay? And then you get your muffin tray here, okay? And of course, you can either just use it like this with no paper liners, okay? You can do the spray, okay? And then you can, oh, let me show you the spray that I used to. I use it for my other baking. I'm sure they have the Kosher for Passover version. Just try to get the one that has with flour, okay, with it, so that you can spray it. The flour part helps it not stick to the tin, okay, to the pan. And or you can use a paper liner, and then when you pour the mixture that you made, don't, obviously, I'm sure many of you know, don't fill it all the way to the top. Fill it halfway, okay? That way when you put it in the oven, it has space to rise, and it doesn't like go all over here and make it all gooey looking, okay? And it cooks thoroughly, all right? So 350 degrees, about 30 minutes, it will be ready. Again, if you're not sure, you get a little toothpick, poke it in a little bit, and you take it out. If it's nice and smooth, not pieces of the mixture is not attached to the toothpick, that means it's ready, okay, guys? So I'm going to post a picture of it for you guys to see. Thank you so much for watching Orit's Kitchen. Happy Passover to everybody out there who celebrate, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.